Filament loading. The Alta can print any PLA or polylactic acid filament that is 1.75 millimeters thick. Included with your machine is a loose roll of white filament that is approximately 60 grams in weight. Should you wish to purchase more filament, Silhouette sells spools with 500 grams of filament in a variety of colors. Plug the included AC adapter into the right-hand side of the Alta and then into a wall socket. Then connect the Alta to your computer using the provided USB cable. To load the filament in your Alta 3D printer, start by opening Silhouette 3D. Power on your Alta. In the software, click on the 3D Print tab. In the upper right-hand corner, ensure that your machine has been selected. With the Alta selected, click on the Filament button. Next, click on Load Filament and go through the following steps to load your filament properly. Place your filament spool on top of your machine, and put the roll of filament on the spool. When using filament that comes in either a loose roll or a reel, it is important to make sure that you keep a hold of the leading end because the filament can become tangled. On top of the machine, there is an eye and the filament clip. Feed the filament through the eye, and then the filament tube. This will help prevent the filament from becoming tangled and jamming the machine. Once the filament has been fed through the filament tube, press the tab on the filament clip to open the hole where you can insert the filament. You'll know it's completely inserted when the filament comes to a stop. Then release the clip. Click Next in Silhouette 3D and then click Load. The machine will feed the filament through the inner print tube and heat up the print head. The print head will then move down and print a little bit of filament once the filament is warmed up.